What is up, Supra fans? In this video, we're going to be having a look right here at Supra, up 20% in the last 30 hours, and things are looking pretty great. We're going to be talking about this bullish divergence right here that we currently have. We're going to be talking about this breakout as well. Can Supra actually break out, or is this just a fake out? We're also going to be having a look at Bitcoin, guys. Ever since Trump swore in, Bitcoin has been either consolidating or tanking. Are we going to see all-time highs in Bitcoin? The fact that we are above the point of control in the following profile is very, very good. And we're also going to be having a look at the total. Will the total finally break above this line right here after getting rejected above the 3.6 a bunch of times? So that is what we're going to be talking about. So make sure you guys stick till the end, because it's going to be a very, very interesting one. If you guys do like these videos, of course, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, leave a like, turn those notification bells on so you guys never miss a video. And the reason why that is because guess what? Only 15% of people who watch my videos are subscribed. So make sure you guys smash that subscribe button right now. So having a look just at a quick overview of the crypto bubble, you guys can see right here in the last week, things have been very, very red. Things have been dumping, not so great. Obviously, in the last month, XAN has been absolutely going parabolic, but obviously in the last week, things are not going so well. In the last 24 hours, especially AI and RWA cryptos have been absolutely exploding. But in this video, guys, this is gonna be a Supra video, currently market cap at $150 million. This is a very, very low market cap crypto, and this can do some damage in the future in terms of not only price but market cap as well. 24-hour trade volume is currently sitting at $28 million. I would like to see this a little bit higher. Circling supply 6.4 billion. I know a lot of people were like, oh, what about the total supply? Well, you guys can see right here, the total supply looks like has been burned. The maximum supply is 100 billion. Yes, there will be an unlock, but like every other token out there, such as Solana, Ethereum, there's always going to be some sort of inflation, and the circling supply will never essentially just stay the same. So that's what's happening right now. 6.4 billion is still pretty low. I mean, looking at the price, 0.023. Can this go to $1? Maybe, maybe not. I think it could definitely go to 20 cents though. You would pretty much do 20 cents times 6.4 billion. Let's just do some quick math real quick with you guys. Let's just do 20. Okay, so you could either do 20 cents or 20% because we are out of 100. So you could do 20% times 6.4 billion, and you're roughly looking at $1.28 billion. Now, if you guys don't know what Supra is, I think it has the potential to do that. I think Supra could be the next SUI, build super dApps on all-in-one Supra layer 1, and they claim they could do over 500,000 transaction per second with the finality of 600 to 900 millisecond on the blockchain. So of course, that's very, very bullish. That's pretty good. Multi-VM. Okay, so it's not EVM, build on EVM or move VM with Solana VM coming, virtual machine. Obviously, this is pretty cool. Native Oracle, native VRF. A lot of people are saying this is a scam. Why? Because you know how it is in crypto. You buy the top and everyone calls it a scam. Everyone calls it a rug. But that's not necessarily true. The whole crypto market has been tanking, and you guys just need to calm down. So let's have a look right here at Supra. I'm going to be talking actually about Bitcoin and the total, because this is really going to dictate where we go. I would really like to see Bitcoin, first of all, consolidate right here, okay? And the reason why I want to see Bitcoin consolidate right here is because I want to give a chance for altcoins to go up. So you guys can see right here, Bitcoin dominance is going down. This is from the last video, I guess. But we need to see the Bitcoin dominance pretty much go down if we want to see Supra keep on pumping, right? We need to see the Bitcoin dominance, break this trend line right here. If we manage to break this level right here and we go to like 56, you're most likely going to see Supra exploding. And this is only going to happen, right, if we pretty much see Bitcoin consolidating. So we're going to need to see Bitcoin consolidating, because if we don't see Bitcoin consolidating, obviously that's going to be bad news bears for us. But we need to see Bitcoin doing something like that. And pretty much that's about it. And having a look at the total, guys, this is a total cryptocurrency market right here. So pretty much you guys can see right here on the right side, the total is currently sitting at 3.5 trillion. We need to see a break above that, which it looks like we are attempting to have one. Yesterday we got a fake out right here. We came down a little bit earlier today, and now we're essentially going back up, which is looking pretty darn good. And this is going to be my first target. Okay, so my first target is breaking out of here. It's probably going to be 3.6, right? If we make a move to 3.58 to 3.6, that's going to be very, very bullish. If we manage to break 3.6 level right here, let's have a look on the weekly time frame. Just zoom out a little bit. If we have a break above the 3.62, let's just say 3.62, right? 3.62. If we break above the 3.62, guys, on the weekly time frame, you could expect a lot of buying pressure, a massive altcoin season. So it looks like it is getting ready for a nice little U shape or cup shape right here. It looks like it's ready to go up. We're gonna have to see. We did get rejected right here multiple times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, and then 9. And then I don't know if you're going to call this 10, but we got rejected a bunch of times right here. Wow, these lines were just freaking perfect. And this is just a pen. I mean, look at this. Anyway, so we got rejected a bunch of times. If we get rejected one more time, I wouldn't be surprised if we essentially get the hammer. But we're going to have to see. I don't think we're actually going to go to 2.31 trillion, but I think we could go to at least $3 trillion, retest this level. Hopefully that's not the case. We do have a W pattern right here, which is looking pretty good, followed by a nice cup and handle right here. This could also be, I guess, a inverse head and shoulder. I don't know how accurate this is, or, if I actually zoom out, let me just zoom out real quick and, release this. I guess you could say that this is an inverse head and shoulder, but I really don't know. We're going to have to see. There's a bunch of inverse head and shoulder inside the inverse head and shoulder, but it looks like Supra is reacting pretty well to this pump right here on the total. We're going to have to see. And if we have a look right here on Supra, if I have a look on the daily time frame, you guys can see that here. Obviously, I zoomed in, but this is barely a bullish divergence right here on Supra. Okay, so obviously we got a higher high on the RSI and we got a lower high on the chart. Now, that usually is a bullish divergence. So things are looking pretty darn good. Now, Supra right now, if I actually put the R on the regular time frame or on the regular, zoom action, you guys can see that it looks like it's actually just equal, right? So you can't actually see the hidden bullish divergence. It looks like this is just a double bottom. If that was the case, that would actually be bearish, right? But the fact that we're seeing a higher high or higher low, sorry, on the RSI, that indicates a very bullish move. So that's what's happening right now for Supra. They're looking pretty darn good in my opinion. If we actually take this off right here, you guys can see that the stochastic RSI or the regular RSI is currently sitting at 50. If the regular RSI manages to climb above 50, that would be extremely bullish for Supra, and that means we're going to essentially bullish. We do have an order block right here for Supra sitting anywhere between 29 and 35. If this gets cleared, we're most likely going to go to 57, 5.77, 5.7, yeah, 0.57. And if this does get clear, we're going to enter a parabolic phase or a price discovery phase. Having a look right here on the daily time frame, this looks like a promising breakout after Supra has been getting smacked down for multiple weeks in a row. So you guys can see right here, Supra did top out on February 6th and pretty much close to 2 months. I mean, this thing has just been a consolidation phase. And we know what happens, guys, when things go down 80% in new cryptocurrencies like this, they tend to go up. Now, we know what happened to Solana, right? Solana, if you take it from the top to the bottom, it did do something like 77.37%, right? From the bottom. So if this is the bottom, guys, this could be an exact move like Solana did when it first launched, and we could actually see Supra literally exploding. Like I'm talking about hundreds of X's from here. Okay, so like, people, if you actually zoom out, right, and you take a look at, like, I mean, you take it from here, right, and you go to like a dollar is 4,000%. Now let's just do like 20%, okay? 20 cents, 25 cents, that's a 10x from here. Do you guys understand how freaking crazy that is? A freaking 10x, 25 cents. That is literally abnormal. You're not going to get this anywhere in the stock market. You guys can see right here, if you actually zoom out, the chart is still looking bullish. You guys need to understand also is that this thing did go essentially parabolic. So this thing did go 500% in a matter of weeks. Now, if you were one of the buyers early on, and this thing does go to 24 cents, you guys can see right here, you're looking roughly at a 38, sorry, that's not 24 cents, that's 34 cents. You're looking roughly at a 27x from here. So that's what's happening, guys, with Supra. You guys need to zoom out a little bit. I mean, people are going to take profit. The market hasn't been looking the best, but the fact that we broke out of this channel, I'm feeling pretty confident that we're going to essentially enter a price discovery mode. If you guys do like this video, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, leave a like, and I will see you guys in my next video.